Snowed in, day 5,000. I've been craving pizza. We about to make some magic, and I don't give a F-U-C-K. Let's go. Dang, girl, you mad or no? Even the tomatoes getting drunk around here. After I squoze out the broccoli, season it up, add your binders. Today I used Chipotle mayo and a bunch of crackers, some flour. Really whatever I could find in my cabinets is what I used. And more flour. Got my handy dandy cast iron so we can get deep with this thing. Make love to them edges, baby. Oh, get into it. Somebody come get her. She made a vegetarian deep dish pizza out of kibbles, bits, and sand. Delicious.